Hello and welcome to this video where I will be making this super easy summer top. And must I say, what an impeccable timing as fall is right around the corner. Let's begin by cutting out the pattern in our chosen fabric. You will need to cut out a fabric layer and a lining layer. Then mark the darts in the fabric and sew them down. Next, cut out many long strips of fabric which will turn into our lacing. After sewing my fabric strips together, I had a little over 4 yards. Then I ironed in the raw edges using my bias tape maker and then folded the strips in half and sewed it down. Next, I cut off 6 1.5-inch pieces of the lacing to use as loops. I attached straps and loops to the top and then put the lining on top so the layers face right sides together. I then sewed all around, leaving a 2-inch opening on one of the sides so I could turn everything inside out. Lastly, all you need to do is top stitch the opening and lace it up, and then you're done. To make the pattern for this top, draw a line with the length of your bust to waist measurement. Extend the line 4 inches above the bust and also draw a line 1 inch above the bust. From the very top, draw a line that is half your chest width. Also mark half your chest width on the line above the bust line. Then mark the 1/4 of your bust circumference on the bust line and the line above. And mark a 1/4 of your waist circumference on the waistline. Connect these lines. Then at a 45-degree angle, extend a line from the chest width point that is 1 inch long. Draw in the armhole curve. At the middle of the red line, draw a point and also mark half your apex to apex measurement on the bust line. Then mark 1/2 inch to each side of the dot on the red line and connect the marks to the apex marking on the bust line. And then you have your pattern. Thank you for watching!